Now here's another conversation using the phrase, she's got a really green thumb. Gordon, what a beautiful garden your parents have. Fiona, I'm glad you like it. They certainly spent a lot of time on it. Gordon, and the house plants are also very attractive. Fiona, they're my mother's specialty. Some of them are nearly 20 years old. Gordon, good heavens, how does she do it? Fiona, she's got a really green thumb. Plants seem to respond to her. Now the explanation of this word, green thumb, is that if you say someone has green fingers or green thumb, you mean that they are very good at gardening and their plants grow well. Another example, you don't need green thumb to fill your home with lush leaves. Now here's another conversation which has the phrase, my sister's hobby is dressmaking. Marion, you look slimmer than when I saw you last. Hattie, yes, I must have lost 6 pounds over the last 2 months. My best dress is now too big for me. I can't wear it anymore. Marion, don't say that. I think I can help you. Hattie, how do you mean? Marion, well, my sister's hobby is dressmaking, and I'm sure she wouldn't mind taking it in. So it'll fit you again. I'll ask her. Hattie, that would be fantastic. I'm no good at sewing myself. Now here's another conversation with, she's got a really useful right foot. John, my sister's really keen on soccer. Eric, really? What team does she support? John, she doesn't support any in particular. When I say keen, I mean she's an enthusiastic player. She plays for a local women's team. Eric, is she any good? John, well, she's scored 10 goals so far this season. She's got a really useful right foot. Eric, well, if that's the case, you really must take me to see her play sometime. Now here's another conversation with, what a bargain. Jenny, look what I've got. Faye, wow, that's the snazziest looking handbag I've ever seen. Where did you get it? Jenny, I got it in Paris on my last trip. Faye, I bet it cost a fortune. Jenny, no it didn't. I got it for half price because the shop was having a clearance sale. Faye, what a bargain. You'll have to take me with you next time. Now the explanation is something that is a bargain is a good value for money, usually because it has been sold at a lower price than normal. Another example, at this price, the wine is a bargain. Now here's another conversation using the phrase, you've been ripped off. Terry, what do you think of my new suit? Michael, not bad. I like the wide lapels and the pant cuffins. It reminds me of one I saw in the department store the other day. Did you get it there? Terry, no, I got it at that new Outfitters on the main street. Michael, how much did it cost? Terry, $350. Michael, what? You could have got the one from the department store for $200. You've been ripped off. Now, the explanation of this phrase is if someone rips you off, they cheat you by charging you too much money for something or by selling you something that is faulty. Another example, the Consumer Federation claims banks are ripping you off by not passing along savings on interest rate. Now here's another conversation using the phrase, my feet are killing me. Marie, you look a bit tired. What have you been doing? Yvonne, shopping for some new outfits. Marie, did you get what you want? Yvonne, I did, but it took me all day. Marie, what do you want to do now? Yvonne, I just want to sit down somewhere and relax. My feet are killing me. The explanation of this phrase is if you say that something is killing you, you mean that is causing you physical or emotional pain. Now here's another conversation using the phrase, you've got them in my size. Shopper, excuse me, could you show me to the skirts section, please? Clerk, certainly, madam. Please come this way. Shopper, these are just what I've been looking for. Have you got them in my size? I'm a size 8. Clerk, just a moment. I'm afraid not, madam. We appear to be temporarily out of stock. Shopper, oh, how disappointing. When will you next have some in? Clerk, we should be getting a delivery at the beginning of next week. Now here's another conversation using the phrase, I've got it on 30 days free trial. Alistair, what are you talking to your computer? Is it lonely? David, no, don't be silly. I'm trying out some new speech recognition software. Alistair, how does it work? David, well, I just speak what I want to say into the microphone and my words appear on the screen. It's magic. Alistair, it must be very expensive. David, it's not cheap, but I haven't actually paid anything yet. Alistair, how come? David, I've got it on 30 days free trial. If I'm not satisfied with it, I can return it free of charge as long as I do so within 30 days. Now here's another conversation using the phrase, I haggled him down to $25. Danielle, I like your new anorak. It looks really expensive. Where did you get it? In that upscale sports shop in the mall? Russell, well thanks, but no, I didn't. I got it in the market. Danielle, how much did you pay for it? Russell, not as much as the man asked for. He wanted $45. Danielle, that would have been a bit steep. It's almost the shop price. Russell, I know, but I haggled him down to $25, so I reckon I've got a bit of a bargain. Explanation: if you haggle, you argue about something before reaching an agreement, especially about the cost of something that you're buying. Another example: Ella showed her the best places to go for a good buy. and taught her how to haggle with used furniture dealers.